The 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat roars into the future with even more muscle, attitude, and innovation than ever before. As Dodge continues to evolve its legendary performance lineup, the new Hellcat is a defiant answer to the electric age still. Loud, still fast, and still unapologetically aggressive. While many competitors are moving away from internal combustion, Dodge is doubling down, fine-tuning their supercharged formula to deliver a heart-pounding experience that's as thrilling on the street as it is on the strip. At the core of the 2026 Hellcat is a heavily upgraded 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine. Dodge engineers have pushed it to the extreme, now delivering an astonishing 820 horsepower and 760 pounds-ft of torque. The engine has been reworked with improved cooling systems, reinforced internals, and recalibrated software to handle the extra power. Paired with an 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission and an optional 6-speed manual, this beast launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds and runs the quarter mile in under 11 seconds. But the Hellcat isn't just about raw speed, it's about presence. The exterior has been slightly redesigned to balance retro styling with modern aggression. The wide-body look is standard, with flared fenders housing massive 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in sticky performance tires. A new front fascia improves aerodynamics and cooling, while functional hood scoops and heat extractors add both form and function. The LED lighting signature is meaner than ever. An optional blacked-out trim gives the car a sinister, stealthy vibe. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that mixes muscle car heritage with modern tech. Premium leather seats with Hellcat embroidery provide comfort and grip, while carbon fiber accents and red contrast stitching highlight the performance intent. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing performance data, boost levels, and real-time G-forces. In the center console, the updated Uconnect infotainment system offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a high-end Harman Kardon sound system, and performance pages for track data and launch control. Settings. On the road, the 2026 Hellcat offers a refined yet brutal driving experience. The updated suspension features adaptive dampers that adjust in milliseconds, giving drivers the choice between comfortable cruising and track-ready stiffness. Launch control, line lock, and selectable drive modes allow for precision performance, while Brembo brakes provide immense stopping power. The steering has also been sharpened, offering better feedback and control at high speeds or around corners. Despite its old-school powertrain, the Hellcat now includes modern safety and driver assistance features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. Dodge knows their customers want performance first, but they haven't ignored daily drivability or safety. The 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat is a loud, proud celebration of American muscle. It doesn't whisper, it screams. In a world shifting toward silence and subtlety, the Hellcat still kicks down the door, supercharger whine and all. For those who crave speed, sound, and attitude, there's still nothing quite like it.